After a roof has been created using the Create Roof command, roof elements like dormers and skylights can easily be added by placing window symbols in the roof. This process saves the user the time of creating the dormer from scratch out of roof faces. This video will briefly cover the various capabilities of dormers and skylights and the easiest way to add them to an existing roof. Before we start, I highly recommend setting your active class and active layer to match those of the roof object. Then setting your layer and class options to either show others or active only. This will make selecting, snapping, and inserting to objects in the roof significantly easier without affecting your existing layer and class visibilities. In order to create a dormer or skylight, the window symbol must be a 3D symbol, and the 3D symbol must be inserted into a roof object or roof face. A hybrid or plug-in object, such as a window, cannot be used directly to create a dormer or skylight. It must first be converted to a 3D symbol. Rather than creating a custom 3D symbol from scratch, the easiest way is to configure a window object created using the window tool first, then ungroup the window in a 3D view, top in this case, in order to get the 3D geometry by itself. Once we have the 3D geometry selected, Modify, Create Symbol will create the needed 3D symbol. Double-click the symbol in the resource browser and make it the active symbol. Your active tool will become the insertion tool. Go to a top plane view, and now you'll be able to insert the symbol into the roof. The exact position, along with other attributes, can be adjusted easily after inserting the 3D symbol. With the roof selected, you'll see the selection handles that allow the modification of not only the edges of the roof, but closer to each inserted 3D symbol, a selection handle that controls the specific dormer as well. Clicking this once brings up the Edit Roof Element dialog. Here, you can control the different parameters of the dormer, as well as its overall style. At the top right, you'll see two options, Edit Dormer and Edit Skylight. This is how you select whether the 3D symbol you inserted will present as a dormer or a skylight object inside the roof. If we wanted to remove this object from the roof entirely, we would simply check Remove at the very top right, then click OK. Keep in mind that if you don't want the 3D symbol you inserted to be included as a skylight, but only want to cut a hole in the roof in the shape of the symbol, you can check this option, Do Not Insert Symbol. As a final note, if you have the RenderWorks module installed, to change the texture used on the dormer itself, if you wish it to be different from the roof object, you would first select the roof, then go to the Render tab in the Object Info palette. Here, next to Part, you would select the specific component of the roof you wanted to change. Walls automatically generated by a dormer object being inserted are controlled by the Walls part. Thank you for joining us, and don't forget to visit kbase.vectorworks.net for more video tech tips as well as other technical articles. Thank you, and have a great day.